Hello dear students, in this video we are going to solve this question. The diagram shows the energy profile for a catalyzed and uncatalyzed reaction, which represents the enthalpy change and activation energy for the catalyzed reaction. So generally we draw the line on the left side for the reactants R and on the right side for the products P. And this pink line shows the reaction from R to P or from the P to R, and this blue line has less activation energy. This is the activation energy from the R to top of this blue graph shows the activation energy, and this pink arrow from the reactants to the top of the pink graph shows the activation energy for the reaction for R to P reaction. So this EA dash is less than EA, and we know that catalyst decreases the activation energy of any reaction. So this blue graph shows the catalyzed reaction and this pink one shows the uncatalyzed reaction, and this Y arrow is from products to the top of the pink graph, which means this shows the activation energy for the reaction from P to R when there is no catalyst, and X shows the activation energy for reaction from P to R when catalyst is used. So this is for the catalyzed reaction and this is for uncatalyzed reaction, right? And this Z arrow from reactants to the products, Z is from the reactants to the products, shows the enthalpy change of the reaction from the R to P. So here in the question, enthalpy change is asked and activation energy for the catalyzed reaction is asked. So activation energy changes with the use of the catalyst, but the enthalpy change remains whether the catalyst is used or not. So Z remains same because this is the R and this is the energy for products. This is the energy for reactants and for the products. So the difference between this always remains same whether the catalyst is used or not. So this Z shows the enthalpy change. So answer can be A option or B option. So, and here this Z arrow is from R to P, which means for R to P reaction, and here a reaction is asked, which means from reactants to products, and if this is asked for P to R, then the enthalpy change will be minus Z for P to R. This is the enthalpy change for P to R reaction. Now, activation energy is asked for the catalyzed reaction, and we have already shown this EA dash for the catalyzed reaction from R to P, and as if we see this carefully, this X and Z, the sum of X and Z becomes EA dash. So activation energy for the catalyzed reaction is X plus Z. So answer should be A option. Let's check the mark scheme. Yes, A option is right. So this is how we can solve these types of questions. If you find my videos helpful, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching. All the best.